નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello everyone, how are you all? Standard 2nd, subject English, Unit 1. On Unit 1 first part, we had learned poem. And now, in second part, we will learn a story, Haldi's Adventure. I am so excited. I hope you are also. Now, children, read with me. Haldi's Adventure. One morning, as Haldi walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore a big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." In this paragraph, one day a girl named Haldi met a giraffe named Smiley on her way going to school. She was going to school. The giraffe met. How was the giraffe? Can you tell me? Yes. The giraffe wore a big glasses, right? And held books on his hand. And his name was Smiley. Okay children, now we will read our second paragraph, right? Haldi looked up at him. "I am sorry to stress," she said, "but I have never met a giraffe like you." Now, in this paragraph, do you remember the word stairs, children? In poem, we have learned this stair word, to watch without breaking eyes. She was looking at giraffe because she doesn't seem like him anytime. Now next, "My name is Smiley," said the giraffe. What was the name? Yes, Smiley, right? "Whenever you see me, you will smile." Wow, how sweet. What was the giraffe telling? The giraffe told her that he will feel happy whenever stay at him. Haldi was surprised and happy too when she remembered. Okay children, do you surprise? What is the meaning of surprise? Struck without wonder, very surprised, remembered. This is also new word, right? Remember means came in mind again. Now children, next page, right? That she would be late for school. So she said to the giraffe, "I would have to walk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." Suddenly she remembered that she will be late for school. That's why she was very in hurry. Now next we will see the second paragraph. The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." Do you go to school every day? Now the giraffe is talking with the Haldi, right? Now he is telling that I will drop you at school. You can climb on my back and I will run so fast. You will reach at your school. And then he asked the question to Haldi, "Do you go to school every day?" Now Haldi is giving the answer. Yes, Haldi was going every day. That's why she will give the answer on yes. "Yes," said Haldi, "I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. On Saturday, I play games at school." Now she is telling that whole week she goes to school Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursday, Fridays and Saturday. At Saturday, the main Saturday, what she do? She plays game at school. Very nice. Now we will see the next paragraph, right? What do you do in school? Asked Giraffe. I learned about stars, the trees, the birds and the animals. Now Giraffe is asking some questions to Haldi, and Haldi is giving so nicely answers, right? She told to Giraffe that she learned about stars, trees, the birds and the animals. Now let's see the next paragraph. That is good, said Giraffe. I love books too. They are lots of fun. Now jump on my back. I will take you to school. Now Giraffe offered to Haldi that please come on my back and I will drop you at school, right? Now next we will see the second paragraph. Haldi then jumped on the giraffe's back and found that she could see many things from the top, and before she knew that she had reached to school. She was wondering everything. She can see lots of things on the huge back. She was the top of the back, giraffe's back, right? That's why that adventure was the so many happiness for her. Now next paragraph we will see. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. She climbed down. When she turned back to thank the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. Now what happened? She was so happy and she was so surprised to see lots of scenes over the back of the giraffe, and she was the top of the giraffe's back. She was so happy and she doesn't wonder that the school came and she dropped to playground, and then she climbed down and she turned to back to say thank you to giraffe. But where was giraffe? He had gone away. Now children, our last paragraph, right? Oh, Haldi thought, what wonderful adventure I had. Haldi was so happy and she came down on his back when she turned to back to thank him, but giraffe was not there. He was already gone, and just she remembered that what a wonderful adventure she had. The adventure, what is the meaning of adventure, right? It means an exciting and daring experience, right? Okay children, now let's know the summary of this story. One day a girl named... Now let's know the summary of this story. One day a girl named Haldi met a giraffe named Smiley on her way to school. The giraffe told her that he will feel happy whenever stay at him. He asked her many questions about her school. The Smiley dropped Haldi to her school, right? She saw beautiful scenes on her way to school while sitting on a back of the giraffe. On reaching to school, she came down his back, and when she turned back to thank him, the giraffe had already gone. That was the Haldi's wonderful adventure. Okay, children, I hope you like this story and enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.